All praises to the Most High. Thank you for laboring in the vineyard with APTTTMHYAH. Let me just say this. I have been trying to figure out how I can get wood chips, pine needles, because the way my property is made, I'm not really allowed to get like a drop. So I knew of this school over here that had a big old pine tree. So I said, let me go over here and get some pine needles. Lo and behold, there's pine needles and wood chips, enough for me to come and glean from for days. So I just wanted to say, I'm telling you, when you pray and when you put something out in the atmosphere, when you ask the Most High for something, I'm telling you, this is a blessing, a true holy blessing for me to come out here. And it's just sitting here for free. They're not going to do nothing with it. It's just piled here. And as I dig into it, right, it's moist. The soil is moist. Everything is starting to break down. It's starting to do all the things that you would want to happen in your garden. And so this is a holy blessing that I wanted to share with you guys today. And remember to just do your best, be blessed, bless someone else and grow something, okay? Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.